Today I'm taking a wet and muddy trail ride up the mountain. You're going to see the Honda XR650L conquer the trails, and you're going to see this amazing view of the valley. I hope you enjoy the ride.
Wise!
I'm out with my friend Pete again. It's been raining like crazy the last couple days here, and I'm going on probably one of the wettest rides I've ever been on today, and we're heading up to the top of a coal bank where you're going to see a great view of the valley, and I'm looking forward to getting up there. I've never been to this area before, and as you can see here, it's nothing but water going through these trails here, and there's no real way for me to actually avoid these things, so I'm just going to have to suck it up and go through here and try to avoid as much of it as I can. And it's kind of a little harder on a motorcycle than it is on a quad because you really got to watch what's in the water. You have rocks, tree branches, mud, all kinds of things that are going to possibly throw you off the bike or make you tip it over. So I'm going to try to be careful going through here and do the best that I can. And I don't mind getting dirty and muddy and wet. That's all good. That's what I bought the Honda for here. And I just enjoy days like this here. It's 70 degrees out, and it's just a beautiful day. Just picked a great day for a ride, and I just wish these trails weren't as muddy as they are, but handled the rocks really well there. I'm trying to keep up with Pete the best I can. Really unfamiliar with these trails here, and as you can see, they're pretty rocky, so definitely trying not to put the bike down today. Looks like we're coming up on a bunch of water again. I feel like I should have brought a jet ski today, guys, rather than a motorcycle. You usually see water like this more towards the river. It's really weird seeing it on the mountain like this, just sitting in the middle of the trails. You'd think it would have drained off, but I guess with the way these paths are, with the ditches and everything like that, it kind of collects all the water here. Finally in a little bit of a drier area. We're on the power lines here and can finally get her opened up a little more anyway. Don't have to be as careful. Just a fun ride though. I love getting out and exploring new areas. Looks like we're heading out towards the road here in a minute. Give me a little bit of a chance to dry off. At this point in the ride, I'm glad my boots are 100% waterproof. These things are completely covered with mud here. I could barely see them. When I'm done with my rides, I'll usually take the Honda down to the car wash. I'll pressure wash the Honda. I'll pressure wash my boots. Believe it or not, no water actually gets through these things, and they look like brand new when I'm done with them. I got them at a local Kmart about a year ago, and I've been wearing them ever since. Absolutely love these things. Got them on clearance. They're kind of uncomfortable when I first picked them up. They had 2 sets there. I wish I picked them both up because once I got these things broken in, they were great. I use them for the Can-Am Ryker. I use them for the Honda, and like I said, I wish I ended up getting them both if I knew they were going to be this good here. And anyway, I think we're finally through all this mud and about at our destination here, so I'm going to enjoy the non-muddy trails while I can and try to catch up with Pete a little bit here. We finally made it to our destination. It was a wet and muddy ride today, but totally worth it. As you can see, the view of the valley here is absolutely incredible. It was a little bit challenging for me, but totally worth it in the end. I would definitely do it again. I'm going to end my commentary right here so you can enjoy the beautiful view of the valley. I really appreciate you coming along for the ride with me. If you enjoyed it today, please hit that like button, and please leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you.
We can ride right up this one. Wise!
Please subscribe to Bud Wise
Bud Wise.
What were the numbers again?
365.
365. I was going to say 420. Bud Wiser.